Did you know Egypt built the world's biggest look at me structures? Just to make their kings look cool? Welcome to Baby Steps History, where we explain thousands of years and the time it takes to boil an egg. Long ago, around 5,000 years back, people moved next to a big friendly river called the Nile. It flooded every year, bringing fresh soil, and everyone said, "Nice, let's stay here forever." And that's how civilization began. Then came the Pharaohs. Basically kings with golden hats and too much confidence. They said, "I'm a god," and people said, "Sure, your majesty." To prove it, they built giant triangles called pyramids. Thousands of workers spent decades stacking stones taller than your house, all so one guy could nap forever inside. The Egyptians loved their gods. They had a god for the sun, one for the river, and probably one for losing your sandals. They wrote in hieroglyphs, which are like emojis, but way harder to read. They also invented calendars and toothpaste. Yes, toothpaste. Then, things got messy. First the Greeks came, then the Romans, then the Arabs. Egypt changed rulers like changing Wi-Fi passwords. But somehow, the spirit of Egypt stayed alive. The Nile kept flowing, and the pyramids refused to fall. Today, Egypt is a mix of ancient wonders and modern cities. You can still visit the pyramids, take selfies with mummies, and realize these people built all this before cars, computers, or coffee. Now that's impressive. If you enjoyed this super simple trip through Egypt's history, like, subscribe, and join us next time where we shrink another country's history into 2 minutes of fun.